absolutely love breakfast. It's my favorite meal in the entire day. I especially love waffles. But I'm a cookie girl. So that means I have to mix things up and create a waffle that makes a cookie girl like me love. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Coming up, treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you my chocolate chip cookie dough waffle recipe. Now for this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of chocolate chip cookie dough. To mix my ingredients up, I'll be using my KitchenAid stand mixer fixed with my whisk attachment, a large bowl, a whisk, and a spatula. Today I will not be using my oven. I will be using a waffle iron instead. We're going to start by adding my butter to my bowl. And let's mix it up. Now to add the sweetness. I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar to my butter, and I'm going to go ahead and cream the two together. Let's mix it up. Now for a little vanilla flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla extract now. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides, making sure everything is mixed up well. Now it's time for the eggs. I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg into a separate bowl so no shells and no bad eggs can mess up my waffle batter. Let's mix it up. Egg number 2. Crack it open, place it in a separate bowl, and now place it into my bowl. Let's mix it up. Now for the dry ingredients. I'm going to take my salt and baking powder and place it into my bowl of flour. Taking my whisk, I'm going to go ahead and mix the two together. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of my flour and then I'm going to mix it up. Then I'm going to pour some of my milk and mix it up. And then I'm going to do that back and forth until both are completely into my waffle batter. Now taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl one last time. Now that my waffle batter is all mixed together, I'm ready to take my ice cream scoop and scoop in scoops of my chocolate chip cookie dough. Once all of my chocolate chip cookie dough is into my waffle batter, I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula and fold it in all together. To prepare my waffle iron. Taking some butter, I'm going to go ahead and smooth it over my waffle iron so that I can have a nice buttery bed for my waffles to go on. Now taking my ice cream scoop, I'm going to go ahead and take a scoopful of my chocolate chip cookie dough waffle batter and place it into the waffle iron. Now it's time for it to cook. Now all it's left to do is to add some butter and some syrup. And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. Ready, Jim? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I wish you guys could smell this. It's so good. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I'll see you in the next one and subscribe for more.